Hello, in this video I'll give you a quick overview of this plug. I'll show you how to prepare the cable for it, make the connections and secure the cable, and how to put back the lid. This plug is not only sleek and modern, but also functional and convenient, making it perfect for both retro vintage or modern aesthetics. It features an easy to use cord grip, which is great for circular flexes. However, if you're using braided flex, we recommend that you use the version that has a screw down cord grip. With its 3-amp fuse, you can rest assured that your light is protected from power surges. So to open the plug, we take off the cover like this, and we begin by ensuring that all the terminals are open as much as possible, ready for the cable to be able to go inside them. Next we take our flex and we take off the outer sleeve, in this case using our rotary wire strippers. Next we strip back and cut the inner cores to the correct lengths as shown. Here we use ferrules on the inner cores, which we do recommend especially if you are batch producing lighting. Next we put the live core into the live terminal first and tighten it down. Secondly, we put in the earth core into the earth terminal and tighten that down. Next we push the cable down into the push-in cord grip. And finally we place the neutral core into the neutral terminal and tighten that down. We're now ready to place the lid back and tighten the securing screw on the other side. The plug is now ready to test and then use. Thank you for watching.